What we have here is a new Ford Expedition police car, and it's written up for a biohazard. Very common, we get these vehicles with biohazard problems where someone got arrested. They spit, they bled, they defecated or whatever. But especially with blood or something like that, hydrogen peroxide, it's kind of written off there, but anyway, hydrogen peroxide in a spray bottle. And I come into these vehicles and I literally spray it everywhere. And you start spraying the hydrogen peroxide, and as you spray it, all of a sudden, boom, where there's a biohazard, especially if there's blood, it foams up. So you can see it's foaming up here. So it's dissolving the blood, changing it. We'll bleach that area there, but you couldn't see this earlier. So yeah, now whatever this biohazard was, we can get the seat belt and make sure there's nothing on the seat belt. Nope, there's a little bit foaming up on the handle here. Make sure there's nothing down here. Oh, look, there it is, foaming up on the seat, on the floor mat. So you can see all the foam wherever the biohazard is in this car. And we're going to spray the door here. See if there's anything here, possibly around the seal. And it's really, really handy when you're doing this because, yep, there's a little bit right here, a little bit of foaming happening up here. Look at that, right there. Right there, you can see the foam coming up here on the door handle area. Spray everything down and look for foam. And once it emulsifies with the hydrogen peroxide, you can just wipe it up, clean it, hit it with, we usually use a glass cleaner that foams up, and then after that we wipe it down with some bleach. So yeah, you can see right here, this is all biohazard. It's all blood or something like that in here. See, it's all foaming up on the seat, or I'm sorry, the floor mat. Down here, you can see the foam right here where there was some. And I don't see anything else. No, nothing else here. So anyway, if you're cleaning up biohazards in vehicles, this is an excellent way to do this. We clean these up all the time. Look at that, even right there on the side of the seat. See right here, it's foaming up. Right there. Yeah, so whoever was in here was bleeding or something. Anyway, and they, you know, I think the deputy tried to wipe it up as best as they could. And they, you know, they got most of it, but they didn't get all of it out. So it looks like we found all the stuff. So the next process, and we have a bucket here. So we have the hydrogen peroxide in here, and then I use just an aerosol type glass cleaner here. And then after that, we've got bleach and water mix. Don't use straight bleach, use the correct percentage. We got some masks, depending what it is. We got our biohazard bags, and got some rags that we use. And all of this we have in a bucket here, so whenever you get a biohazard, we just grab the bucket, come over here, start the process, clean everything out, and that's basically what you do. So it works out pretty well. I'll finish cleaning out this biohazard, but I wanted to show you the hydrogen peroxide trick for finding where all the blood and everything else might be when you have some kind of a biohazard, be it a patrol car like this or a something inside your house or wherever, and you're trying to figure out what it is. The nice thing about the hydrogen peroxide is fabrics and stuff, it will actually dissolve the blood out of like the seat belts, and you can remove it at that point and then bleach it. Now if you just use bleach, it won't actually get the blood out of fabric. The hydrogen peroxide will actually emulsify it and change it and sterilize it. And then bleach, of course, kills everything on contact. So we do kind of a three-step process. And then I'll bleach this, and then I will wipe the bleach back down, back out with a glass cleaner so the car doesn't reek of bleach. But But you can definitely see, we got some pretty good amount of biohazard here, and big clumps of things that this stuff was completely invisible, especially a black car interior. And of course I would have never caught that right on the door handle. So yeah, all right. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Please like it. Apparently that's important to get paid or something like that. So if you want to like this video, if it helped you out, I appreciate it. Thanks.